Not me. The bead. Oh yeah, never mind the toys that I've made. The margarine container is much more interesting, right? Oh yeah, look at that, eh? Oh, you're so big. Woo! Now what are you gonna do? How are you gonna get your toy? How are you gonna get your toy? Randy. You wanna come on, Bubby? You could do it. Flip it over. Flip it over, Buster. You could do it. Oh, you got one toy out. Now, how are you going to get the ball? Good girl. You almost did it. Almost did it. Come on. You can do it. You can do it. Whoa. Oh, you're so good. Look, you got the ball out. She's like, never mind about the ball. I want in the margarine container. It's been washed many, many times and is very clean. I use it for my beads for their toys, so. Don't want to hear anything. You're a good girl for flipping it over, huh? Yeah. We'll give you a treat. Piece of papaya. Buster. Hey. Let's see if I can get her to do it again. Buster. Come get your toys out. She's like, meh. Not quite yet. Can you get them out? Get your toys out. You get your toys out. Get it out. Flip it over. Flip it over, Buster. You can do it. Come on, you just did it. I know you know how. I know you know how. You could do it. Come on. Go from the bottom. Go from the bottom. Flip it over. Flip it over. Good girl, Buster. Good girl. Wow, Bubby, you're such a good bird, hey? Give her a piece of papaya. She loves that stuff. I should say she loves making a mess of it all over me and my carpet. Who's so beautiful? Who's so beautiful? You are. Pretty little bird.